NMAX Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm going to be realistic, and I'm trying to be kind, not nice. I've made more videos than anyone else in the space, documented more proof than anyone else. I've made 39,000 videos on this YouTube channel, and all I was willing to do is obviously long as the rules were met. Now, caveat to this, they never got met, which is solid. I mean, I have the previous receipts in the Discord with NMAX, and I'm not saying that they're not going to happen, but it's only really going to be something if I start seeing breaks about $55, $56. And if not, well, guess what? I'm just not going to look to take it up, right? Not everything is supposed to be taken up. Like, also here we don't have that much data, so I was just willing to ride the wave up because that's how I made most of my money. But yeah, I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Stay tuned. Goodbye. It's free.